Hey, check out this brand new construction, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story house in Wrightwood, California. We don't get too much for new construction in Wrightwood, so don't let this one slip by. It's got a huge lot, it's about 9,000 square foot, has an attached garage, and like I said, it's brand new. So let's take a look, shall we? Again, my name is Dave Rupp, Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. Feel free to reach out with any real estate related questions.